Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to carrier unlock your iPhone for free. After you do this method, you can now use any SIM card on your iPhone. This method is working for Android and iOS devices, but in this tutorial, I'm going to use my iPhone as an example. As you can see that my iPhone says that SIM not valid because I am using a SIM that is not supported. So let's start the tutorial. First, I will remove my SIM card using this eject pin key before I start the process. Now get your phone and open your browser and type simlockfix.com. Remember that you can use any phone or even desktop to access this website. Now you're going to need to fill up some details. Type your email address. And now type the IMEI of your device. If you don't know your IMEI, I will show you how to get it. Go to your iPhone and type *#06#, and your device IMEI will pop up. Now copy and type that IMEI. After that, select the device that you want to carrier unlock. Mine is iPhone, so I will choose iOS. Now hit the Connect button and wait for it to connect. Okay, now that your device is connected, you can see a safety feature option. Tick Proxy and Security Check option. And now click the Unlock button. Now wait for the unlocking process. Now that the unlocking process is almost done, we will do a simple verification. You just need to install 2 or more apps to finish the verification process. We do this verification to prevent automated bots that are spamming our website. Don't worry, it's very quick and easy. Just follow what I do. I'm going to fast forward the verification process, so please focus. Remember that after installing the apps, it's important to open it for 30 seconds to trigger the verification, just like what I do in the video. Now, after successfully installing 2 or more apps, let's check my iPhone to see if it's already carrier unlocked. You can see that my iPhone has no SIM card. Now let's put in the SIM card. After putting in the SIM card, your iPhone will ask for the SIM card PIN. Let's put in the PIN and hit OK. Now let's wait for my iPhone to read the SIM card. And voila, my iPhone is now carrier unlocked. I can now use any carrier SIM card with my iPhone. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. And also, please don't forget to comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Until next time, peace out.